Hello, Agim.
Hello, Alif.
Nice to see you again. How
How-
are you?
I'm fine, man. How about you, man?
I'm good. How about COVID-19 in your hometown?
In my house is in my region, man. And I'm stuck in my house. And I don't go anywhere. And you, man?
I see. Yeah, same. My house is in red zone too. Even though the patient infected with COVID-19 is far from my house, but one district is a red zone. What you usually do during this pandemic?
I've been during pandemic, watching YouTube, playing PlayStation, watching movies, playing online gambling, drinking coffee, smoking, and worship, and studying religious book. How about you, man?
I just wasting time every day, just sleep all day. And sometimes I go to the mosque to just smoke and drink coffee with my friend. And sometimes I go to the security post just to play carom and domino with my neighbor.
What you usually do when get bored, man?
When I get very bored, I just watch some anime or random videos on Facebook. But when I feel very bored, I just take a walk and meet my neighbor just for a little chit chat.
Oh, nice to see you, man. One
Goodbye.
goodbye and thank you, man.
Yeah. Goodbye.